this our unit test is very closer to us, so that it's time for revision. Okay. So today we are going to revise our chapter 3, which is digestive and excretory system. In this chapter, we are mainly going to learn about digestive system, excretory system, as well as healthy habits related to digestive system and excretory system too. The word here written here, system, and this system is formed with the help of many organs. So that firstly I would like to show some organs of our body to all of you to form this system. So look at this clip. The first organ is our heart, which is helpful for our pumping of our blood. Okay, and the second one is circulatory system, who circulates blood throughout our body, and the third one is our kidney, which is helpful for the excretion of some harmful substances from our body. And after that, this is a liver. Liver produces bile juice for the digestion. After that, this is a stomach. This stomach is whenever we eat our food through food pipe, the food is stored in the stomach. This is lungs, which is helpful for our breathing. As well as this is our brain, who control our body, and in last, this is our intestines, which are helpful for our digestion process. Okay, so all these are our organs. These organs meet together and form the system, and the name some digestive system, excretory system, and so on. Okay, so today we are going to learn about our digestive system with this diagram. Firstly, we eat our food with the help of our mouth. Okay, after that, with the help of our food pipe, which is also named as esophagus, our food is stored in our stomach. This is our liver, which produces the bile juice for the digestion process of our food materials. And after that, the food materials goes to the small intestine, which is here. After the sucking of the nutrients, these food materials goes through the large intestine, and after that through rectum, and finally through anus. The food materials are just passed up from our body. So this is the overall diagram about our digestive system. Okay, let's describe all the organs one by one. Okay, so firstly we take our food with the help of our mouth. Whenever we take our food in our mouth, the first digestion is going to be started from there. Okay, so the digestion process is started from our mouth. In our mouth, carbohydrates, with the help of some enzymes, carbohydrates are going to be break down into the simpler forms. Okay, in our mouth, salivary glands are present, and these salivary glands secreted saliva, and which is very helpful for the proper mixing of our food materials and making a semi-liquid type substances. And the chewing process is also just going to be done by the help of our teeth. So carbohydrates are break down in our mouth, and our digestion process is started from our mouth. After that, the same solid substance just passes through from our food pipe, which is also known as esophagus, and stored in our stomach. In our stomach, various of digestive juices are produced, like HCl, which is helpful for the further breakdown of the food materials. And there is a liver. Liver produces some juices which is helpful for our digestion process, named bile juice, which is stored in this gallbladder. And after stomach, our food materials comes into the small intestine, and in this small intestine with the help of some juices like bile juice and pancreatic juice also, there is a pancreas, and with the help of these juices our food materials is break down, and there is some finger-like projections present named villi which absorb all these food materials, food nutrients like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, suck it down and all these nutrients just mix up with our blood. The rest of the food materials which are not useful, which are maybe harmful because there are lots of processes are going on, so that food materials are excreted from there, and these goes to the large intestine, and in this large intestine water is absorbed from there, and after the final stage through rectum and anus, all these waste food materials comes out from our body. So this is the entire process of our digestive system. Let's turn to our another topic, which is need for chewing food well. What is the need to chew out our food with a proper manner? Why this is necessary? Because of this, whenever we chew our food with the proper manner, so that our food is break down into the simpler form. Okay? Whenever we take our food with the help of our mouth, saliva is present, and the food is proper mixed with the help of tongue in our saliva, and whenever we chew our food properly, then only the semi-solid liquid is formed, which is very easily passed through our esophagus, and the for the proper digestion process. Okay, so it's a very neat thing. We have to chew our food properly. Okay, after that, if we are not chewing our food properly, the large particles of our food remains, and it is very difficult to digest this large particle in our stomach as well as in our intestines. It takes lots of time for the digestion, and it is also not produce a proper feces. You know about the feces, the waste material which is produced by our large intestine is known as feces. So, if our food is not properly chewed up, the proper feces is not produced, and it maybe causes some constipation. So, it's a really a very required thing. We have to chew our food properly. Okay. The next topic is, what is the need of water for the digestion process? Whenever we add some water, it liquefies our food materials, and it is easy to digest, so that water is very essential for our body, as well as various of fluid like our blood as well as urine. All of them are just formed with the help of water. So water is a very essential item for our food materials as well as our digestion process too. Let's turn to our next topic, which is excretory system. Again, system means various of organs include and form a system like kidney, ureter, urinary bladder as well as urethra too. So all these organs meet together and form the system which is known as excretory system. Excretory system mean by that there are some harmful substances that comes out from our body which is not good for our health, so that this excretory system helps to do all these things. So what is the definition for the excretion process? The process by which the harmful substances comes out from our body, it is known as excretion. Okay? So various of organs include in this system. What type of harmful substances is formed in our body so that the excretory system required? Urine. What's the name? Urine. Basically, this urine is formed with the help because of the protein, we have lots of ammonia in our body, and this ammonia is turned to the urea with the help of liver, and this urea is mixed up with our blood. Okay, so the kidney extracted this urea as the form of urine from the blood, and it is through the help of ureter, this thing like a structure named ureter, this urine is stored in this urinary bladder, and this after that the urine is passed through the tiny hole named ureter. So all these organs are involved in our excretory system to pass out the urine from our body. Okay, so this is all about for the excretory system. And apart from this excretory system, various of another organ release various of toxic substances from our body, like our skin excreted sweat. Yes, this is a really some harmful substances, and as well as lungs, some harmful gases like CO2, carbon dioxide. Lungs excreted our harmful gases from our body, as well as liver is extracted urea from the ammonia, and it is just extracted from the blood with the help of kidney. So this is all about for the excretory system. As well as there are some other topics are there, like healthy habits related to digestion as well as excretion process. So what are the healthy habits? We have to be used for the proper digestion. For the digestion process, the first healthy habit is to chew out our food properly. It is a really a very good thing to chew out our food items properly, so that it is helpful for our digestion. As well as hygiene things, like our plates should be cleaned, as well as before and after meal. After that, we have to eat some fibrous foods because of the proper bowel movement, as well as for our digestion process. We have to use some fibrous things like our vegetables, fruits, as well as don't eat lots of junk foods, because of this these are harmful and create obesity for our health. As well as for the excretion process, we have to be drink plenty of water for the proper excretion, at least 7 to 8 glasses per day. And don't hold the urine in your body for a long period of time, because this urine is harmful for our body, so it creates various of diseases. So don't hold in your body a long time urine. Okay? So these are the healthy habits related to our digestion and excretory. This is all about for the chapter 3rd, which is digestive and excretory system. And most of you are draws this diagram as well as digestive system diagram in your piece and submit it for the check. So all of these are very good, fabulous work. All of you